My students, today the remaining problems will do. 43 completed from different integrals and areas. 44. The approximate value of 1 to 5. Approximate value of 1 to 5. X square dx using trapezoidal rule. Using trapezoidal rule with n is equal to 4. With n is equal to 4. Okay. So ordinary integration is just x cube by 3 and substitute the value. And by using trapezoidal rule, on this formula, what is the area is equal to h by 3, sorry, h by 2, y naught plus y1 yn plus 2 times y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus and so on. So this is the formula for the to find this value, area of this value by using trapezoidal. What is h? H is equal to this one, b minus a by n. So what is b here? 5. 5 minus 1 by n value given 4. 4 by 4 is equal to 1. Okay. So we find out by using the definite integration. So like this, area split this thin strips. So using this concept, so width of the strip is that will be h. So sum of the all strips areas is equal to we get area. So that is nothing but a limited sum. Right, h is equal to how much? 1. So area is equal to h value. First of all, find out y values, means that coordinates value, how much length, y1, y2, y3, and values from the table. Means y is equal to x square function given x and let it be y. Okay, right. Strips 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Length. Width length is h is equal to how much? 1. Right. Substitute in this one. 1 square, 1, 2 square, 4, 3 square, 9, 4 square, 16, 5 square, 25. So corresponding y value is equal to x square. That value is on this one. So the substitute in this one. Therefore, area is equal to h by 2. H means what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Y naught plus y1. Y naught. This is y naught, y1, y2, y3, y4. Y naught plus last value yn. So that implies y naught plus y4 plus 2 times complement values y1, y2, y3. Clear? So these are the actual values, y naught last and first two values, and the remaining values are y1 plus y2 plus y3 are the remaining values. 1 by 2, y naught value 1 plus 4, 1 plus, sorry, 1 plus 25. 1 plus 25, 2 times y1, 4 plus 9 plus 16. This value 26, this value 20 plus 29. 2 times of 29. 1 by 2, 26, 2 into 29, 58. 1 by 2 of 4, 84. This value is equal to 78, 84 by 2. This answer is equal to 42. So that is the area of the this value by using trapezoidal board. So answer for the option is the correct answer. 42. Next 45. By Simpson's rule, by Simpson rule, n is equal to 4. N is equal to 4. The value of the integral 0 to 1 by 1 plus x squared dx is equal. Okay, right. This one area is equal to Simpson's form h by 3 y naught plus yn plus 4 into y1 plus y3 plus and so on. Odd terms, odd values. Plus 2 times of y2, y4 and so on. These are the even terms. These are the even terms. Here h is equal to also b minus a by n. N given how much? N is equal to 4. N is equal to 4. Right. That is b minus a. H is equal to 1 minus 0 by 4. 1 by 4. This value is equal to 0.25. Corresponding y values should find. Corresponding y values. Okay. X. First of all, we have x square. X square value find out. Actually, y is equal to what? 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square. Here we will find x value. What is x value? First, right table x, y. First 0. 0.25, 0.5, 0.75, 1. Here, x place substitute this 0. 1 by 1 plus 0, that value 1. 1 by 1 plus 0.25 whole square. 0.25 whole square. So this value. So 0.625. 0.065. Why means 4 at this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0.625. And 1 by 1 plus 0.0625 divided by 1.0625. So let's say this value is 0.94. Like this, 0.5, 1 by 1 plus 0.5 whole square, 5 5 25, 0.25, 0.5 whole square, and 1 by 1 plus 0.25. So that implies 1.25. How many times is this value? 100 by 125. 100 by, this value is equal to 100 by 125. Clear? So how many times? Take 0. So 125 how many times? 8 times. Clear? So that implies 0.8 this value. 0.8. 125, 800, 8 25, 200,000. So that implies 0.8. Next 1 by 1 plus x square. X square place 0.75, 0.75. Four values. So This is 0.56. 0.56. 1 by 1 plus 0.56. This value is equal to 1 by 1.56. So 100 by 156. 1000 to take 156 approximate value 600 6 times. So finally this value is equal to 0.64. 0.64. Now last finally this value 1 by 1 plus 1 square 1 by 12 0. So this is y1 y2 sorry y0 y1 y2 y3 y4. Here this is students 0.64 0.5. This is 0.9. Now substituting that a is equal to h by 3 y0 plus yn. So that implies 1 plus 0.5 plus 4 into odd numbers 1 0.94 plus 0.64 plus 2 times of even number only one even 0.8. Clear? That implies h value is equal to how much? H value is equal to 0.25. 0.25. So that implies 25 by 300. This way 25 by 300. 1.5. Add this 0.94. 0.64 8 1.5 4 into 1.58 4 into 1.58 means 6.32 plus 1.6 6.32 1.6 1.5 2 9.4 25 by 300 into 9.42. So 25 how many times this 12 times 12 times. So now it cancel. Write this value 9.42 by 12. So this value is equal to 94 means okay. So 3 table it is possible. 3 table 3 times 1 time and 4 times 4. Okay. So that implies this value is equal to 314 divided by this value is equal to 400. So that implies okay 0 point how many times or else so 2 table is possible. Okay 2 twos 2 twos 2 fives 2 7. Okay now in this one 2 ones 2 ones and the next sorry this is 2 ones. Now 0.15 means 7 and 14. So 2 8s so 1.57. So this can be written as how much 7 8 one more 0 and 2 5s. That is the option. 0. Okay, sorry. Wait. 0.85 is the correct answer. 0.85 third option is the correct answer. So here 1.57 2 means 0.15 means 2 7s 14 1 2 8s 16 1 so 0.5 therefore 0.785. So using this Simpson's rule, so the answer is will do one is Trivial rule and one is Simpson's rules. 0.85 is the correct answer. Okay, students, this completed this chapter, all problems. Next chapter, differential equations. Differential equations. Okay, what is differential equation? The equation in terms of derivative of this functions means one value, independent value with respect to the or else dependent variable with respect to independent, that is called differential equation, that is in the form of like this one d square by dx. So this is dependent variable and this is independent variable. Y is equal to x. Okay, here y is equal to f of x. So this is independent and this is dependent variable with respect to the independent variable. So that is called differential equations. An equation in terms of the derivatives, that is called differential equations. So in this concept we will find your order and degree. What is order? Order means how much order. Suppose this value d square y by dx square plus x into dy by dx plus y is equal to, what is this order? Highest derivative, that is called nothing but order. What is its degree? What is degree? Is the power of the highest order. The power of the highest order, that is called degree. What is its order and degree? Order is 2, degree is equal to 1. Clear? Suppose this value here is square, but don't take this value square degree. Highest order power is called the equation of the degree. So this is called order and degree. So this concept, order and degree. Next, suppose in the equation, in the function e power x, a into e power x plus b into e power x, like this one, or e power mx, e power mx. Clear? So constants, number of constants. How many number of constants in that equation? Arbitrary, depend on arbitrary constants. So that much times we will derive in the given function. So that is our concept. And next, to solve the differential equations, three types here in our theory. What is means variable separable method, and next homogeneous method, and next linear equation concept. Equation, that is three methods in our concept. And for commutative, one more homogeneous and non-homogeneous some is there. We will discuss about differential equations. Okay, 20th chapter, and synopsis once I read from your textbook or from this material. First problem, by eliminating the arbitrary constants capital A and B from y is equal to ax square plus bx, y is equal to ax square plus bx. Okay. Differential equations. Okay. By eliminating arbitrary constants a and b from y is equal to ax square plus bx, we get the differential equation. Okay, right? How many constants are there here? Two constants. Y is equal to ax square plus bx. So we will the function, we derive this function two times. Y means two constants. How many arbitrary constants are there in that function? That much times we will derive. So that is the concept. To eliminate the constants. So first derivative dy by dx is equal to 2ax plus b. 2ax plus b. Next second derivative d square by dx square is equal to 2a. So y means b is equal to 0. This one shortcut is there. So y is equal to a square plus b and x. Take this one y minus a or a b. So for this dy by dx and 2a. Now remove the constant. X square x 2x. This is no variable, so this is a constant. Remove the constant value, so that is nothing but 1. So in this case, d square by dx square to 0 is equal to 0. So take determinant y of 0 minus 2. Y of 0 minus 2. Next minus x square of 0 minus d square by dx square. Next x of 2 times plus x of 2 times dy by dx minus 2x minus 2x of d square by dx square is equal to 0. So what is this? Minus 2y minus into minus plus x square d square by dx square plus 2x dy by dx minus 2x square d square by dx square minus 2x square plus x square minus x square. So minus 2y minus x square d square by dx square plus 2x dy by dx is equal to 0. So finally this equation can be written as x square d square by dx square minus 3x dy by dx plus 2y is equal to 0. This is the required differential equation to after eliminating this constant a and b. Which option is the correct answer? X square d square by dx square minus 2x dy by dx plus 2h by dx. So second option is the correct answer. So this is one method. So like determinant. Or another method is substitute these values in this and in this one. We get answer same answer. Okay, students. So a what is a value in this one from this 1 by 2 d square by dx square is equal to a. Clear? Dx square is equal to a. Suppose this is first equation, second equation, third equation. From 3, a is equal to 1 by 2 d square by dx square. Clear? Right. Next this 2 is substituted into from 2 dy by dx is equal to 2a value d square by dx square into x plus b place. What is that b place? Is it possible? So that implies b value. How to take b value? So that therefore y is equal to ax square plus bx. Okay, from this you write dy by dx minus x into d square by dx square b value from 1. Y is equal to a value 1 by 2 of d square by dx square into x square into x square plus dy by dx minus d square by dx square into x. So therefore, take LCM. After LCM set this side, this value 2y and x square d square y by dx square plus 2x dy by dx minus 2x square d square y by dx square, right? Minus 2 square d square by dx square plus x square d square by dx square. So that is minus. And shift this side. This value is equal to x square d square y by dx square, and this value minus 2x dy by dx, okay, plus 2y is equal to 0. So like this elimination method, this also are that method we can use. Okay, in the data method, except constant coefficients are constants, so except those constants, the remaining values substitute in the determinant. Okay, that is one method and this is one method, get same answer. So second option is the correct answer. So remember students, how many constants are there in that equation? That much times we will derivate with the given function. What is the order of this one? In this function, two arbitrary constants are there. Therefore, 2 times order, 2 times derivative means its order is also 2. Next one. Differential equation of family of curves y is equal to a cos mu x plus b sin mu x, where a and b are arbitrary constants. Same method, 2 times we differentiate. Y means there are a and b, two constants are there. Differentiate 2 times, we get answer. Do this one over. Next, third order. Order and degree of differential equations. D square by left side d square by dx square is equal to bracket of 4 to the power of that radical, so 1 by 4 to remove that one. So fourth root apply means 4 times 1 by 4 to remove that right side. After removing that 1 by 4 that side, what you will get means d square by dx square whole power 4 is equal to y plus dy by dx whole square. Now we will find what is order and degree. What is order? Highest derivative. Here in this equation, what is highest derivative? This is the highest derivative, right? Order is clearly 2. What is degree? Highest derivative power is called its degree. Therefore, its degree is equal to 4. Order to degree 4. Fourth option is the correct answer, right? This is third problem. Next, fourth one. The differential equation of family of circles touching the y-axis at the origin. The differential equation of family of circles, right, touching y-axis. So like this one. This type of problems also is there in theory. Okay. Like this differential equation, family of circles touching y-axis. So that implies center lies on x-axis. Center lies on x-axis. Touch it. Touch x-axis means, so this is, suppose this is center. Let it be h comma 0 center. How much radius this one? Touch y-axis means what is the center? That is the radius only. Therefore, this is equal to x minus h whole square, y minus 0 whole square, radius also same, that h only, h square. Expand this one, x square plus h square minus 2hx plus y square h square, h square is to cancel. X square minus 2hx plus y square is equal to 0. Right. Differentiate with respect to x. 2x minus 2h plus 2y dy by dx. Right. So remove that one. To remove x minus h plus 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. H take the side. H plus 2y dy by dx is equal to h. Right? So substitute the h value in this equation. X square minus 2 of x plus 2y dy by dx into x plus y square is equal to 0. X square minus 2x minus 2xy. Okay, multiply 2x square minus 2x. So this is 4. Okay, remove this also. X minus h plus y divided by is equal to 0. X plus y divided by x is equal to shift that side, right? So that implies here no 2x square minus 2xy. 2xy dy by dx plus y square is equal to 0. X square minus 2x square plus x square all at this side. X square plus y square plus 2xy dy by dx is equal to 0. So in terms of the orders you write is option depend on options. Here are what are the options? Options are okay, dy by dx x square minus y square. Consider this is minus x square. Okay, this is okay minus x square 2xy dy by dx. In this problem, two x minus 2h is 2y dy by dx. Yeah. Okay. Y square minus x square is there, but y square minus x square option not there. Only second option is x square minus y square is there. X square minus y square. Y square minus x square. Okay, so here is a minus, correct. Okay. Now minus take down. So this is correct, but the options not having in this one. So take minus. Minus means therefore x square minus y square plus 2xy divided by dx is equal to 0. Therefore x square minus y square option is only second option. Okay, x square minus y square plus 2xy divided by dx is equal to 0. Second option is the correct answer. Like this, family of circles, family of parabolas, touching x axis, touching y axis, family of ellipse, family of hyperbolas. That type of problems constitute in theory also is there. Right. Next, the differential equation of family of circles whose center lies on x-axis. Whose center lies on x-axis. Okay. Some circles here I will not ask touching y-axis. Some like this one, center lies on x-axis. So radius different somewhere. So this is nothing but 8, 0. Center center h comma 0. Radius also different. We don't know radius. Okay, clearly what is the center, that much is the radius. Radius is, check radius r. Radius is equal to r. Now what is the equation? X minus h whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to r square. Clear? Right. X square derivative here 2 times derivative is 2 constants, 2x minus h plus y square derivative 2y, y derivative dy by dx is equal to constant derivative 0. Right. 2 you cancel, remaining x minus h plus y into dy by dx is equal to 0. One more time we will differentiate. 1 minus 0 plus y into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx into y derivative dy by dx is equal to 0. So this value is equal to y into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole square plus dy by dx whole square plus 1 is equal to 0. So here two constants which are r, so 2 times differentiate. Then this is the answer. Y into d square y by dx square dy by dx whole square plus 1 is equal to 0. Fourth option is the correct answer. Next the differential equation of the family of curves y is equal to, in this problem y is equal to e power x a cos x plus b sin x. Y is equal to e power x a cos x plus b sin x. So this also here two constants a and b, 2 times you differentiate, you get answer in terms of d square by dx square. Check that. So options like this one, this also 2 times differentiation. This meaning 1 time differentiation, or else y1 1 time, y2 2 times differentiation. Depend on options, we will take the symbols of the derivatives, either like y dash or dy by dx or y1 y2. Next the solution of the differential equation. Okay, solution they ask now. Here types variable separable method or homogeneous method or linear equation concept methods you can apply solve the differential equations. Here given seventh problem, dy by dx is equal to sin of x plus y into tan of x plus y minus 1. So first to understand the given problem is possible to variable separable or homogeneous, okay, or in a linear equation method. So in this x plus y it is not possible to split. Let it be x plus y is equal to take t or t anything, no problem, t also or t, differentiate 1 plus dy by dx is equal to dt by dx. So dy by dx, this implies dy by dx is equal to dt by dx minus 1. So in place of dy by dx, substitute dt by dx. dt by dx sin of x plus y means how much? Sin t tan t minus 1. Sin t tan t minus 1. Right. Okay, dt by dx minus 1. Minus 1 cancel. So t sin t dt separates dt and dx should that side. Therefore 1 by sin t tan t dx and take integration on both sides. Solve and take integration on both sides. Okay, is it possible directly? So what is such numerator? What is the value? Sin means cosecant t cot t dt integration is equal to dx. So cosecant t cot t dt integration minus cosecant t is equal to x plus c minus cosecant t. T means x plus y is equal to x plus c. So answer but our options we will change that one. Okay. So second option is correct answer. X plus cosecant. So send this side, see that side. A constant, some constant that value cosecant of x plus y is equal to, right? So second option is the correct answer. X plus cosecant x plus y is equal to. Next one, 8th question. Y is equal to c1 plus c2 cos x plus c3 minus C4 e power x plus c5. Okay, this is the problem. So they are asking the order of the differential equation. What is the order? This one, order of the differential equation. How to find the order of the differential equation? In the differential equation means in the function how many constants are there, that much times it will get. That is the order of the given differential equation. So okay, how many constants are there? Generally we are looking like c1, c2, c3, c4, c5. Actually there is a c5 constants are there, but we treat it as c1 plus c2 a single constant. Suppose 5 plus 5 is constant, 7 is constant, 5 plus 7. So that is a single constant. Therefore, it has single constants. Cos x, there is not possible to split that place. This is also one more constant, x plus b minus c4 into e power x, c4 into c5. So total this is constant and this is also constant. Therefore, a into cos x plus b minus capital C into e power x. So how many constants are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 times it is possible to derive. Therefore, order how much? Order is equal to 3. Order is equal to 3. So second option is the correct answer. 9th question. The order of the differential equation of all parabolas whose lattice rectum is 4a and axis parallel to x-axis. The order, so find out its order. What is the question? The order of the differential of all parabolas whose lattice rectum, how much lattice rectum? 4a. Okay, length of lattice rectum is equal to 4a and axis parallel to x-axis. Actually, generally parabola open right side. Axis is x-axis. Axis, okay. Vertex at origin. Vertex at origin. This is nothing but a parabola. Not like this. Parallel to x-axis. Anywhere. So like this. Here parabola. So vertex will change. Vertex will change means y coordinate and x coordinate also change. Therefore, y minus k whole square 4a of x minus h. Understand friends? Suppose here is the parabola. Suppose this point is 3 and where suppose this is 4. Y coordinate 3 comma 4. Like vertex value is how much? And 3 comma 4. then this value and this value also. So clearly depend on parabola two constants. Therefore, we derivative two times. So order of the degree, order of this function how much? The curve, order of this curve is equal to 2. So fourth option is the correct answer. Next, tell me right. So cube root of. So to remove that cube root, what we do? So I already explained that another one problem. Next, 11th question, you only find what is that, like this dash. So that also y 3 dash is nothing but 3 times derivative. So highest order what, that is the order. Highest order power is called that is degree. So at a time they ask order and degree. Means suppose here y over 2 that whole square is there. That is order, that is degree. Suppose here y like this means so does not take the highest order and highest. Right. The general solution of the differential equation. 12th question. The general solution of the differential equation x plus y plus 3. X plus y plus 3 into dy by dx. X plus y plus 3 into dy by dx is equal to 1, right? Suppose, consider, is it possible to separate that? 2 or 3 methods are there. Either variable separable, homogeneous, and linear equation. Is it possible? Is it not possible to change that function? Here also, suppose dy by dx is equal to 1 by x plus y plus 3. So that is a reciprocal. Dx by dy is equal to x plus y plus 3, right? Now let's take x plus y is equal to t. X plus y is equal to t. Differential with respect to dy. So this value is equal to dx by dy plus 1. This is equal to dt by dy. So here dx by dy value, that implies dx by dt value, dt by dy minus 1. Take this elements. So replacing this, what is this dx by dy value? Dt by dy minus 1 is equal to x plus y plus. X plus y is equal to 50 plus 3. Therefore, dt by dy is equal to t plus 4. Okay. That implies dt by t plus 4 is equal to dy. Take integration to solve means on both sides. So this is 1 by x. 1 by x form means 1 by x integration log. So therefore log t plus 4 is equal to y plus 6. Clear? Y plus 6. So therefore here is base is there. T plus 4 is equal to e power y plus 6. Right? And what is t? T is equal to x plus y plus 4 is equal to e power y into e power 6. Okay. What is the option? Which option is the carrying this one? X plus y plus 4 is equal to e power y into some constant. E power 6 considered as a constant. Therefore, second option is the correct answer. Okay. Same this problem can also you can do. Or this another is linear differential equation method. How to do means this can be written as dx by dy. Okay, dx by dy. So we have two types of differential equation, linear differential equations. dy by dx is plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. This is one type, and another is dx by dy plus p of y into x is equal to q of y. Two types. Same problem. How to solve it? Same problem. So that value, the problem dx by dy and take this side x square minus x is equal to y plus 3. Clear? Dx by dy plus p of y into x. So here this is one constant. P of y means either function in y or a constants. Right? This is q of y. So first of all, I of integrating factor will find e to the power of p is equal to minus 1, q is equal to y plus 3. So therefore minus 1 dy is equal to e power minus y. What is the solution? X into integrating factor e power minus y integration of y plus 3 into e power minus y dy. So this is equal to x into e power minus y. Therefore y into e power minus y plus 3 into e power minus y integration for this IH. What is IH? Means which is function is the first function. Therefore y integration of e power minus y value e power minus y value minus divided by minus thereby minus. So minus of derivative of y into minus of e power minus y dy plus 3 into e power minus y. Minus into minus plus. Therefore y into e power minus y dy plus 3 into e power minus y. So this is equal to minus y into e power minus y 3. Okay. So here is y after remove the integration 3y. So therefore 3y e power minus y. So this integration minus. Okay, this is it. Minus 3 e power minus 5. Right. Okay, students. Okay. So what is the answer? That value is equal to x into e power minus y into e power minus y integration minus of minus y into e power minus y, right? Minus y dash value, that value is equal to minus 1 into e power minus integration minus into minus plus again e power minus y. So then here is minus 3 e power minus y. This is equal to minus y into e power minus y. Again e power minus y minus 3 into e power minus y. Therefore what is square? Plus c here. So minus y e power minus y minus 4 e power minus y x into e power minus y plus 6, right? Take this side x plus y plus 4 e power minus y, right? Plus is equal to 6 x plus y plus 4 is equal to what is this value? C by e power minus 1. This is equal to C into e power y. Same answer. What is this value? X plus y plus 4 C into e power. So any value you can apply. So sometimes is it possible to linear differential equations or as done by us. Okay students, the remaining problem we will do in the